How's it going, guys? My name is Ryan. I'm with thebotdoc.com, and today we're going to show you guys how to integrate WiX with ManyChat, and you're going to get a little customer chat button right there. Alright guys, let's get into it. So I went ahead and took it off of my website. Hit refresh here and you'll see that this little guy is going to disappear. Alright, so let's get into how we do this. Alright, so you're going to go into, let's start off with the dashboard. You're going to go into your growth tools and find your actual chat bubble. If you don't have one yet, you just hit new growth tool right here and click, there it is, customer chat. It doesn't require pro either, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now we'll go into them. This is mine that I have on my website. So we need to go to setup, install the JavaScript. You actually have to type in your website name so that you give it permission to be on your site. Okay. And then you need to take the line of code, go to your WiX editor here, go into settings, tracking and analytics, new tool. It's a custom one. They don't have a specific spot for ManyChat yet. You're just going to post it there, make sure it's in the head, put it on whatever pages you want. You're probably going to want to name it so that you know what that is and it doesn't just say custom. Hit apply, publish. Make sure you go into here. This is what a lot of people forget actually, is they don't activate it right here. You can click check widget if you want. Widget activated, you can test it right there. We'll go ahead and do that. Start widget check. Cut that out. Check is complete, no errors found during our tests, and if we go here, refresh my page, and it will be right down here. And you can actually pick whatever color you want too, so that's pretty cool. And that's about it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos. If you're interested, we do actually have a beginner's guide to ManyChat that we're giving out for free to anybody and everybody that joins our group, our Facebook group that's in the link in our description. So what we're doing is we're demystifying messenger marketing for everybody that's wanting to get into the industry. It is the newest industry that's in the actual digital marketing realm, and it's the least saturated at the moment. Everything else in digital marketing is super saturated except for this, and this is one of the most effective ways to get new leads and maintain a solid flow of customers and keep customers too. Alright guys, thanks. Have a good one.